Now we want to find the shortcut for finding the inverse of a rational function na linear over linear. Or meron siyang form na f of x equals ax plus b over cx plus d. So yung first step natin ay we interchange the x and y variables. And we write our function x equals ay plus b all over cy plus d. Our goal is to isolate y. So first, we multiply both sides by cy plus d. So we'll have x times cy plus d equals ay plus b. We distribute x. So we'll have cxy plus dx. Inuuna natin yung c and d kasi constant sila. Equals ay plus b. Next, we subtract ay from both sides. We also subtract dx from both sides. So we'll get cxy minus ay equals negative dx plus b. Then factor out cy. So the left side becomes y times cx minus a. Right side remains the same. And we divide both sides by cx minus a to give us y equals negative dx plus b all over cx minus a. And this is our f inverse. Now let's determine yung shortcut by making a couple of observations dun sa original function at sa inverse natin. So this is our original function. It's ax plus b over cx plus d. Kung isusulat natin yung mga constants, we have a, b, c, and d in this form, or parang ganito yung appearance, kung ito lang yung titigan natin at hindi muna natin titignan yung mga x saka yung mga division. And we notice from the original function and the inverse, yung b at yung c, they remain in the same position dun sa rectangle or sa square natin kung i-isolate natin sila. And yung a at yung d, nagpalit sila ng pwesto at nagpalit sila ng sign. So if we're only looking at the coefficients and the constants in an isolated scenario away from the function, pwede nating sabihin na pinagpalit lang natin yung pwesto ni a at b at ginawa silang negative. And that's all we need para makuha yung inverse ng isang function na linear over linear. So the inverse of f is negative dx plus p all over cx minus a. Knowing this shortcut, sagutan natin yung exercises natin tsaka yung quiz. Now note, no, pagdating dun sa quiz at sa exercise, you still have to give the long solution, hindi itong shortcut na to. But dun sa exam natin, or in the future, if you want to check your answers, magandang alam natin na may shortcut. Kahit makalimutan nyo kung ano yung shortcut, the fact na alam nyo may shortcut, pwede nyo na lang yung i-google or i-derive even better. In exercise 2-05, number 6, pinapahanap sa atin yung inverse ng x minus 1 all over x plus 2. So using this method, the coefficients are, or the coefficients and the constants are 1, negative 1, tsaka 1 and 2 sa baba. We change the positions of 1 and 2 at gawin nating negative. So, makuha natin dun sa matrix natin, negative 2, negative 1, 1, negative 1. And, ipatong na lang natin yung f inverse of x saka yung variables. So, f inverse of x is equal to negative 2x minus 1 over x minus 1. Pinapahanap din yung domain and range ng inverse. So, yung domain, madali. Bawal ang x equals 1. Yung range, titignan lang natin yung domain ng original function. Bawal ang x equals negative 2. One more thing to consider is that the horizontal asymptote ng isang rational function na linear over linear, in this case, kukunin lang natin yung quotient ng negative 2 over 1. So, y equals negative 2 over 1 or y equals negative 2. Yun din yung hindi pwedeng value ng function natin. Hindi pwede, yeah. So, ang range din natin ay pareho ng value dun sa constant ng horizontal asymptote. So, it's y is not equal to negative 2. That's our range. Now, in the quiz 2, the first item is find the inverse of f of x equals 5x plus 7 over 2x minus 3. So, let's list down the coefficients and the constants, 5, 7, 2, negative 3. To find the inverse, we interchange si a at d, or si 5 and negative 3, and we'll take the negative of those values. So, yung numbers natin magiging 3, 7, 2, and negative 5. Then, Writing it down formally, we have f inverse of x equals 3x plus 7 all over 2x minus 5. And this is the inverse of our given rational function.